Close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and let your mind wander to a place of tranquility and peace. Imagine a life where money is no longer a source of stress. Picture yourself waking up each day with a sense of calm, knowing that your financial worries are a thing of the past. You have the financial freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, and live life on your own terms. Whether it's exploring new cultures, diving into a hobby you've always wanted to try, or simply enjoying the little moments, the choice is yours. This is the power of investing. It's not just about growing your wealth, it's about creating opportunities and opening doors to experiences you never thought possible. Many young people think investing is only for the wealthy or those nearing retirement. They believe it's a complex world that's out of reach for the average person. This couldn't be further from the truth. Investing is accessible to everyone, regardless of your current financial situation or age. You are at the perfect age to start building a solid financial foundation. The earlier you begin, the more time you have to learn, grow, and adapt your strategies. Time is your greatest asset, and the sooner you start, the more you benefit from the magic of compound interest. Each small step you take today can lead to significant rewards in the future. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Embrace the chance to secure your financial future and create a life filled with freedom and possibilities. Are you ready to take control of your financial future and unlock a world of possibilities? The journey starts now, and the power to shape your destiny is in your hands. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Welcome back to my channel, Money Minded. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. The stock market can seem intimidating at first glance with its fast-moving numbers and complex charts. Many people feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information and the potential risks involved. But it's simpler than you think. At its core, the stock market is a place where you can buy and sell ownership shares of companies, known as stocks. These shares represent a small piece of the company, giving you a stake in its future. In essence, it's a marketplace where you can buy and sell pieces of companies called stocks. This marketplace operates on the principles of supply and demand, where the price of a stock is determined by how much people are willing to pay for it. When you buy stock, you're becoming a part owner of that company. This means you have a vested interest in the company's success. If the company performs well, the value of your shares can increase, leading to potential profits. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your stock increases and you make money. This growth can come from the company expanding its operations, launching new products, or entering new markets. It's like planting a seed that grows into a mighty tree, bearing the fruits of your investment. Just as a tree needs time and care to grow, so does your investment. Patience and a long-term perspective are key to reaping the rewards. Investing in the stock market allows you to participate in the growth of the economy and share in the success of innovative companies. By investing in companies that are pushing the boundaries of technology, healthcare, and other industries, you are supporting progress and innovation. It's a powerful tool for building long-term wealth and securing your financial future. With careful research and a strategic approach, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Remember, the stock market is not just for the wealthy. It's accessible to anyone willing to learn and take calculated risks. Start small, stay informed, and watch your investments grow over time. Compounding is the snowball effect of investing. When you reinvest your earnings, they generate even more earnings over time. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger as it gathers more snow. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow into significant sums over time. Imagine a small snowball rolling down a hill for years. It will become an unstoppable force. Don't underestimate the power of compounding. It's the secret ingredient to building lasting wealth. It's natural to feel some fear when starting. You might worry about making mistakes or losing money, but remember, the biggest mistake is not starting at all. The stock market has its ups and downs, but over the long term, it has consistently trended upwards. By investing early and staying invested, you're more likely to ride out these fluctuations and come out ahead. Don't let fear paralyze you. Take that first step today. Section 5. Your first steps to financial freedom. Knowledge is power. Before you dive into the stock market, it's crucial to educate yourself about the basics of investing. There are countless resources available online, in libraries, and through financial literacy programs. Learn about different investment options, risk management, and diversification. Knowledge is your most powerful tool. The more you understand about investing, the more confident and successful you'll be. Remember, you don't need to be a financial expert to start investing. Start with the basics and gradually expand your knowledge. Section 6. Budgeting, the cornerstone of smart investing. Before you can invest, you need to have money to invest. This is where budgeting comes in. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending and redirect that money towards your investment goals. Investing doesn't require a fortune. Every dollar you invest brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Start small and gradually increase your investment contributions as your income grows. Remember, even small, consistent investments can lead to big results over time. Section 7. Riding the market roller coaster, staying calm amidst the chaos. The stock market can be volatile with periods of both growth and decline. It's essential to understand that market fluctuations are normal and to avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Instead of panicking during downturns, view them as opportunities to buy stocks at discounted prices. Remember, time in the market is more important than timing the market. Stay calm, stay focused, and stay invested for the long haul. Section 8. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is a risk management strategy that involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. By investing in a variety of assets, you can mitigate the risks associated with any single investment. For example, if the stock market takes a downturn, your bonds or real estate investments might still perform well, balancing out potential losses. Think of it like this: if you drop a basket with all your eggs in one hand, you risk breaking them all. This is a simple yet powerful analogy for why diversification is crucial. But if you carry a few eggs in each hand, you're less likely to lose everything if you stumble. This way, even if one basket falls, you still have some eggs left in the other. Diversification helps protect your investments and ensures a smoother ride on the road to financial freedom. It's like having a safety net that cushions the impact of market volatility. By spreading your investments across different sectors and asset classes, you can take advantage of growth opportunities in various areas while minimizing the risk of significant losses. Remember, the goal of diversification is not to maximize returns, but to manage risk and achieve more stable and consistent returns over time. So, as you embark on your investment journey, keep in mind the importance of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversify wisely and enjoy a more secure financial future. Section 9. Your future self will thank you. The power of patience. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's crucial to be patient and stay focused on your long-term goals. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations or expect to get rich quickly. Building wealth takes time, discipline, and consistency. The earlier you start, the more time you have to ride out market ups and downs and reap the rewards of your investments. Remember, the greatest rewards come to those who are patient and persistent. Section 10. Take charge of your destiny. Invest in yourself and your future. Investing is not just about money, it's about investing in yourself and your future. By taking control of your finances, you're empowering yourself to live a life of freedom and choice. Imagine the possibilities that financial security could unlock for you. You could pursue your dream career, travel the world, start your own business, or simply enjoy life without the constant worry of money. Investing is an act of self-care and a powerful way to shape your future. Section 11. Start small, dream big. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. You don't need to be a financial expert or have a lot of money to get started. The most important step is to take action today. Open a brokerage account, start learning about investing, and make that first investment. Remember, even small steps can lead to significant progress over time. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start small, dream big, and watch your financial future blossom. What are you waiting for? Your journey to financial freedom starts now.